Let's explore space and time with the Landsat Lens web mapping application. The Landsat is a long-running set of satellites that collects imagery over the Earth's surface. And the Landsat Lens web mapping application, as we are demonstrating here, allows you to look at different time periods with these little tiles containing imagery from the Landsat satellites. So you've got a Windows pick tool indicating different years. You have a theme tool that allows you to select imagery gathered in different spectral bands, different bands in the electromagnetic spectrum. You also have the ability to change scale, so you can zoom in and zoom out. Look at the changes in the UAE, for example. That's the default view, but you can change it. We're looking at the Aral Sea right now in Central Asia. You can look at Las Vegas, Mount St. Helens, lots of different places that are in this bookmark pick tool. But you can also use the search bar and search for other places around the world that you're interested in, looking at change over space and time, which is one of the fundamental themes of this course. Why are things changing? What's where? Why is it there? And why should we care? Why should we care if the Aral Sea disappears? Why should we care if there's massive amounts of urban growth in a very dry area? Why should we care if ice is retreating? Why should we care if rivers are changing their courses and flooding and coastal erosion and so on? Here's Mount St. Helens. You can see this is color infrared, so the healthy vegetation shows up in red here. This is fascinating to be able to do this. So look at the 2002 to 2010 change. You can see the historical modern eruption was in 1980. So by 2010, the vegetation had grown back in such a way that it looks quite healthy, and it's growing at a rate that is exceeding the rate of any sort of ash or eruption. So here's the Landsat Lens tool. You've got a lot of power at your fingertips to analyze change over space and time. There's also a tutorial if you want to dig deeper. Landsat Lens, always look at the metadata, find out who created it and why. Enjoy. Explore.